Parsley Energy Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange PE, has received a consensus rating of buy from the 26 analysts that are covering the firm, Marketbeat Ratings reports. 3 research analysts have rated the stock with a sell recommendation and 23 have given a buy recommendation to the company. The average 12-month target price among analysts that have covered the stock in the last year is $40.86. Several equities analysts recently weighed in on PE shares. Jaffray Companies set a $34 price objective on shares of Parsley Energy and gave the company a buy rating in a research report on Monday. BidaskClub lowered shares of Parsley Energy from a sell rating to a strong sell rating in a research report on Tuesday, August 8. Northland Securities set a $43 price objective on shares of Parsley Energy and gave the company a buy rating in a research report on Monday, August 21. Barclays PLC cut their price objective on shares of Parsley Energy from $32 to $30 and set an overweight rating on the stock in a research report on Tuesday, August 8. Finally, Seaport Global Securities raised shares of Parsley Energy from a neutral rating to a buy rating and raised their price objective for the company from $30 to $32 in a research report on Friday, August 11. Several institutional investors have recently made changes to their positions in the company. Vanguard Group Incorporated grew its stake in shares of Parsley Energy by 3.2% in the second quarter. Vanguard Group Incorporated now owns 19,016,423 shares of the oil and natural gas company's stock worth $527,706,000 after acquiring an additional 597,682 shares during the last quarter. Apollo Management Holdings LP acquired a new stake in shares of Parsley Energy in the second quarter worth $414,418,000. BlackRock Incorporated grew its stake in shares of Parsley Energy by 2.0% in the second quarter. BlackRock Incorporated now owns 11,438,545 shares of the oil and natural gas company's stock worth $317,419,000 after acquiring an additional 223,388 shares during the last quarter. FMR grew its stake in shares of Parsley Energy by 40.2% in the second quarter. FMR now owns 10,091,313 shares of the oil and natural gas company's stock worth $280,034,000 after acquiring an additional 2,893,045 shares during the last quarter. Finally, Tiacraft Investment Management LLC grew its stake in shares of Parsley Energy by 1.6% in the second quarter. Tiacraft Investment Management LLC now owns 8,113,863 shares of the oil and natural gas company's stock worth $225,160,000 after acquiring an additional 124,462 shares during the last quarter. Institutional investors and hedge funds own 77.82% of the company's stock. Shares of Parsley Energy, PE, opened at $24.52 on Friday. Parsley Energy has a one-year low of $22.98 and a one-year high of $39.82. The firm has a market capitalization of $6.07 billion, a PE ratio of 136.98, and a beta of -0.05. The firm's 50-day moving average is $25.92, and its 200-day moving average is $27.69. Parsley Energy, New York Stock Exchange PE, last posted its quarterly earnings results on Wednesday, August 2. The oil and natural gas company reported 5 cents earnings per share, EPS, for the quarter, missing analysts' consensus estimates of 11 cents by 6 cents. The company had revenue of $213.68 million during the quarter, compared to analysts' expectations of $216.54 million. Parsley Energy had a return on equity of 1.70% and a net margin of 5.23%. Parsley Energy's revenue for the quarter was up 99.9% compared to the same quarter last year. During the same period last year, the company earned 4 cents earnings per share. On average, equities research analysts predict that Parsley Energy will post 47 cents earnings per share for the current fiscal year. About Parsley Energy. Parsley Energy Incorporated is a holding company. The company is an independent oil and natural gas company. The company focuses on the acquisition, development, and exploitation of unconventional oil and natural gas reserves in the Permian Basin. The Permian Basin is located in West Texas and southeastern New Mexico and includes 3 primary sub-areas: the Midland Basin, the Central Basin Platform, and the Delaware Basin. Analyst recommendations for Parsley Energy. New York Stock Exchange PE. Receive news and ratings for Parsley Energy Incorporated. Daily. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts' ratings for Parsley Energy Incorporated and related companies with Marketbeat.com's free daily email newsletter.